Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate web security audits with Qualys, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Qualys platform through your web browser.
Log into your Qualys account using your credentials.
Once logged in, navigate to the Security section available on the main dashboard. Select Web Application Scanning from the drop-down options. Click on New Scan to initiate a new security audit configuration. Enter a name and description for your scan to help you identify it later. Set the scan type to Authenticated if you wish to include deeper checks. Enter the target URLs of the web applications you want to audit. Configure authentication settings if necessary for deeper access within the applications. Set the schedule for the scan according to your requirements. You can choose to run it immediately or set a specific date and time. Under the Options tab, customize your scanning preferences. Make sure to select the appropriate risk and vulnerability profile. Adjust any advanced options, including exclusion lists or specific checks.
Review your configurations to ensure everything aligns with your security goals. Once confirmed, click on the Save button to store your scan settings. Select Launch Scan to initiate the web security audit. Monitor the progress of your scan from the dashboard. Once the scan completes, navigate to the Reports section. Click on the completed scan to view the results. Examine the findings for vulnerabilities and security issues. Prioritize vulnerabilities based on their severity and risk level. Implement necessary fixes within your web applications. Consider scheduling regular audits for ongoing security maintenance. Finally, review the automated reports for compliance and documentation purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.